Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and I've got one or two motorhomes here to have a look at, and let's see about some of these Itineos. The Itineo is a brand of Rapido, and it's meant to be a cheaper fat brand of Rapido, but something that has some rather unusual layouts as well. Let's have a look at this one here. PC640 costs 68,160, 636 centimeters long, making it the length of a campervan, but it's a bit wider than a campervan. Right, so what have we got here? This is a layout, well, it's not which I think is modern. I mean, there's a number of companies doing this these days, but what we've got here is a huge amount of storage space at the back, absolutely enormous. And you know, if you're full-timer, this is the sort of thing that you might want to consider. Huge storage space at the back. We have through here, we can see what's going on in the garage. So if you want to access that at the same time, I'll close this properly. That one there goes there like that. Oh, there's also here the from the click. Here there's a magnet. There's the magnet. See if I can. Oh, it wouldn't. Okay. And toilet, sink, and of course you can close this off like this via this door, and then you've got this huge washing and dressing area with a window, and you can close this using that. I've noticed that these things here have made their way back, even in some very expensive motorhomes. You get this. My last motorhome had this, and this is something from the 90s, if not earlier. But it seems as though there's the pleated ones are not used as often these days. Okay, corner kitchen here. We have also two burners. I think you have three, and it costs about €100 extra, something around that, like that, if you want. Storage under the kitchen block. Over here we will find the thin Thetford fridge with a bottle bit at the bottom and a freezer bit at the top. Bit of storage there, and in here we've got this absolutely enormous lounge. I'll even put this thing here back up the way I think it's supposed to go, something like that. Something like that. And so we have this face-to-face enormous lounge. The table is also enormous, so I'm going to put the table out for you. I'll do it properly here. I'll put this on and do it properly. There we go. And so that's what it looks like in here. Note the position of the seat belt here and here, because under here there will be the chair for moving in that direction. You'd have to take this bit here out as well. Bed drop down electrically, and unfortunately I'm not gonna do it being in the trade fair here, although if I were at somebody's place I would do it in order to show you how it actually works. Let's have a look outside as well. A vehicle like this, it does have a lot of space for people wanting to actually live in the thing on a long-term basis, in my opinion. And it's also relatively small footprint. Down here you've got a 230 volt plug, so you can actually charge things up. At the other end, note the door isn't as big as the one here. We've got door has got a window in, so you can see what's going on, and below there's one of these Kippo things, which I think are absolutely outstanding. So we'll have a look now at the price, and so it's 232 centimeters wide, 280 high. There you go, 68,160, and that's the base price there. And you get these other things with it. It's got a smart pack, and which includes what we've got written up there, and there you go. That's the Itineo P640 motorhome, and hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.